Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Hopley, and today we're going to be practicing with the affixing zero rule, getting ready to do some relative place value tomorrow. The first equation I'm going to do with you guys, and this is number 15 on our worksheet, is 17 times 10. And at any point, if you want to challenge yourself, just pause me and you can answer these on your own and then check if you got it right. I know the affixing zero rule tells me to cover up any zeros in my number if it's a multiple of 10 or 100, and that makes it easier for me to multiply. So right now I'm looking at 17 times 1, which I know is 17, but then I have to come in and attach that 0 on the end. So 17 times 10 equals 170. Let's practice another one. We're going to do 17 times 100 this time. So same rule as last time. Cover up those zeros, make it a friendly number. I know 17 times 1 is 17. I covered up the 2 zeros in 100, so I'm going to affix those here. And notice how I'm not putting the comma in until I'm done affixing my zeros. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 digits, and then put a comma in at the end of that period. So 17 times 100 is 1,700 or 1700s. If you look in the hundreds place, we have 17. All right, number 17 on our worksheet. Funny, same number. Let's try something a little trickier. 170 times 10. So we have a 0 here, and then also a 0 here in 10. So we have two different spots where we're going to have to cover up our zeros. So I can cover up 17, or cover up and make this 17 and make this 1. So 17 times 1 is 17. Then I'm going to affix 1 0 from the 170. And a second 0 from the 10, and again I get 1,700. So that would be the same as saying we have 170 tens, or 170 groups of 10. That's going to help us transition into the next section of this worksheet. Once you feel like you have the hang of the affixing zero rule, let's practice taking numbers, this is number 18, that have numbers and words like that. So we just talked about 170 tens. Now let's do 40 hundreds. So this is what I like to call translating. A lot of us do this in school with our friends. We take something in English and we say it the same meaning, but in different words in maybe Spanish or Arabic or Portuguese. We're going to practice taking numbers and words like this funky form, and translating it, changing its form without changing its meaning to just numbers. So first we're going to do an equation. 40 hundreds is like 40 groups of 100, which is the same as 40 times 100. And now that we've done affixing zero, we should all be able to do this. So this is going to bring us to number 19. 40 times 100 equals, I know 40 times 1 is 40. I can take these 2 zeros and affix them, and that gives me 4,000. Now if I come over and look at the hundreds place, I can see there are 40 hundreds. All right, let's try just a few more examples. All right, this time we have 18 thousands. Let's translate it. 18 groups of 1,000 is like 18 times 1,000, which is the same as 18 times 1 is 18. And then I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros and affix them. And what do you know? We got 18 in the thousands place. That makes a lot of sense to me. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Good luck, and I'll see you later.